Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best Miele vacuums. Are you tired of subpar cleaning performance? Frustrated with vacuums that break down after just a few months? Looking for a high-quality vacuum that will stand the test of time? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we'll be counting down the top 7 Miele vacuums on the market based on our extensive testing and research. Let's dive in and find the perfect Miele vacuum for your home. Starting our list at number 7 is the Miele Classic C1 vacuum cleaner. This entry-level model from Miele offers impressive performance at a more accessible price point. During our testing, we found that the Classic C1 excels on hard floors, making it an excellent choice for homes with predominantly tile, hardwood, or laminate flooring. One of the standout features of the Classic C1 is its compact size and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 11.4 pounds, this vacuum is incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and carry up and down stairs. The 29.5-foot operating radius allows you to clean large areas without constantly switching outlets. The Classic C1 comes equipped with Miele's Air Clean sealed system, which includes a dust bag, motor protection filter, and Air Clean exhaust filter. This system ensures that the air expelled from the vacuum is cleaner than the air in your room, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. In our suction tests, the Classic C1 performed admirably, especially on hard surfaces. The 1200-watt vortex motor provides powerful suction, while the 6-stage suction control allows you to adjust the power for different surfaces and tasks. While the Classic C1 doesn't come with a powered brush roll for deep carpet cleaning, it does include a combination floorhead that works well on low-pile carpets and area rugs. For homes with mostly hard floors and some low-pile carpeting, this vacuum offers excellent value and Miele's renowned build quality. Moving up to number 6 on our list, we have the Miele Classic C1 Turbo Team Bagged Canister Vacuum. This model builds upon the strengths of the Classic C1 and adds some features that make it more versatile for homes with a mix of flooring types. The standout feature of the Turbo Team is its STB3053 Turbo Brush Floorhead. This air-driven turbo brush provides much better agitation on carpets compared to the standard combination floorhead. In our tests, we found it significantly improved performance on low to medium pile carpets, making it a great choice for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpeting. Like its sibling, the Turbo Team features Miele's 1200-watt vortex motor and 6-stage suction control. We were impressed by the vacuum's ability to tackle everything from delicate curtains to high-traffic carpet areas with ease. The suction control is conveniently located on the canister and is easy to adjust on the fly. The Turbo Team also includes Miele's Air Clean sealed system, ensuring excellent filtration. We noticed a significant reduction in airborne dust particles when using this vacuum compared to some competitors. The large 4.5-liter dust bag means you won't have to change it frequently, and the hygienic auto-seal collar keeps dust contained when you do. One aspect we particularly appreciated was the onboard accessory storage. The Turbo Team comes with a dusting brush, upholstery tool, and crevice nozzle, all of which can be neatly stored on the vacuum's Vario clip. This ensures you always have the right tool at hand for any cleaning task. At number 5, we have Miele's foray into Bagless technology with the Blizzard CX1 Pure Suction Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner. This model offers the convenience of Bagless operation while still maintaining Miele's high standards for filtration and performance. The Blizzard CX1 uses Miele's Vortex technology, which separates fine and coarse dust particles. In our tests, we found this system to be highly effective, with the majority of debris being captured in the easy-to-empty dust container. The fine dust is captured by a separate Gore CleanStream fine dust filter, which is designed to be maintenance-free for the life of the vacuum. One of the most impressive features of the Blizzard CX1 is its Hygiene Lifetime filter. This filter captures 99.98% of all dust particles, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. During our testing, we noticed a significant reduction in airborne particles compared to many other bagless vacuums on the market. The pure suction floor head included with this model is designed for use on hard floors and low-pile carpets. We found it to be highly effective on hard surfaces, easily picking up both fine dust and larger debris. On low-pile carpets, it performed adequately, though it may struggle with deep-pile carpets due to the lack of a powered brush roll. One aspect we particularly appreciated was the Comfort Clean self-cleaning function. This feature automatically cleans the fine dust filter when needed, ensuring consistent suction power throughout your cleaning session. We found this to be a significant advantage over other bagless vacuums that can lose suction as their filters become clogged. Breaking into the top 4, we have Miele's entry into the cordless stick vacuum market with the HX2. This versatile vacuum combines Miele's renowned quality with the convenience of cordless operation, making it an excellent choice for quick cleanups and homes with multiple levels. The HX2 is powered by a 25.2V lithium-ion battery, which in our tests provided up to 60 minutes of runtime on the lowest setting. On the highest power setting, we still managed to get a respectable 20 minutes of cleaning time. The battery is removable and can be charged separately, allowing you to purchase an additional battery for extended cleaning sessions. One of the standout features of the HX2 is its 3-in-1 design. It can be used as a traditional stick vacuum, a handheld unit for above-floor cleaning, or with the wand for reaching high spaces. We found this versatility to be incredibly useful, allowing us to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks with a single device. The HX2 comes equipped with Miele's Multi-Floor XXL Electra brush. This powered brush roll provided excellent performance on both carpets and hard floors in our tests. The brush can be easily removed for cleaning, which we found to be a useful feature for maintaining optimal performance. In terms of filtration, the HX2 uses Miele's lifetime filter, which captures 99.98% of dust particles. We were impressed by how clean the exhaust air felt, even when using the vacuum on its highest setting. The 0.5-liter dustbin is easy to empty and can be washed for thorough cleaning. As we enter the top 3, we have the Miele Complete C3 Calima bagged canister vacuum. This high-end canister vacuum is designed to tackle a wide range of flooring types with ease, making it an excellent choice for homes with diverse cleaning needs. The Calima comes equipped with 2 floor heads, the SBB 403 Parquet Twister for hard floors and the STB 3053 Turbo Brush for carpets. In our testing, we found the Parquet Twister to be exceptionally effective on hard surfaces, with its soft bristles and 180-degree rotation allowing it to clean around obstacles with ease. The Turbo Brush, while not motorized, provided good performance on low to medium pile carpets. One of the standout features of the Calima is its HEPA Air Clean filter. This filter captures 99.99% of all dust particles and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers. We noticed a significant improvement in air quality when using this vacuum compared to models with standard filtration. The Calima is powered by Miele's 1200-watt Vortex motor, which provides powerful suction across all floor types. The 6-stage suction control, conveniently located on the canister, allowed us to easily adjust the power for different surfaces and cleaning tasks. We were particularly impressed with the Calima's quiet operation. Even on its highest setting, it produced less noise than many competing models, making it a great choice for homes with noise-sensitive occupants or pets. Coming in at number 2 is the Miele C1 Classic Cat and Dog Powerline Canister, a vacuum specifically designed to tackle the challenges of pet ownership. This model combines powerful suction with specialized attachments to make pet hair cleanup a breeze. The standout feature of the Cat and Dog is its SEB 228 Electro Plus floor head. This motorized brush roll provided exceptional performance on all carpet types in our tests, easily lifting embedded pet hair and dander. The ability to turn off the brush roll also makes it suitable for use on hard floors. One attachment we found particularly useful was the STB 101 Mini Turbo Brush. This compact, air-driven brush is perfect for cleaning pet hair from upholstery, stairs, and car interiors. It made quick work of pet hair on furniture during our testing. The Cat and Dog also comes equipped with Miele's Active Air Clean filter, which includes activated charcoal to neutralize pet odors. We noticed a significant reduction in pet-related odors when using this vacuum compared to models with standard filtration. Like other Miele canister vacuums, the cat and dog features a 1200-watt vortex motor and 6-stage suction control. We found it had more than enough power to tackle even the toughest pet hair messes, while still being gentle enough for use on delicate surfaces when needed. Taking the top spot on our list is the Miele Complete C3 Brilliant Powerline vacuum. This flagship model represents the pinnacle of Miele's vacuum technology, offering unparalleled performance and features. The Brilliant comes with two powered floor heads, the SEB 236 Electro Premium for carpets and the SBB 403 Parquet Twister for hard floors. In our tests, the Electro Premium provided exceptional performance on all carpet types, easily outperforming every other vacuum we've tested. The Parquet Twister, with its soft bristles and 180-degree rotation, made cleaning hard floors effortless. One of the most impressive features of the Brilliant is its LED headlight on the Electro Premium floor head. This illuminated our cleaning path, making it easy to spot dust and debris in low light conditions. We found this particularly useful for cleaning under furniture and in corners. The Brilliant uses Miele's HEPA Air Clean filter, which captures 99.99% of all dust particles and allergens. In our air quality tests, this vacuum consistently outperformed all others, making it an excellent choice for those with severe allergies or respiratory issues. A unique feature of the Brilliant is its handle-integrated controls. This allows you to adjust suction power and turn the motorized brush on or off without bending down to the canister. We found this to be incredibly convenient during extended cleaning sessions. The Brilliant also includes Miele's Comfort Handle with Spotlight. This handheld LED light is perfect for illuminating dark corners or checking your work as you clean. It's a small touch, but one that we found ourselves using frequently during testing. In conclusion, while all of these Miele vacuums offer exceptional performance and build quality, the Complete C3 Brilliant Powerline stands out as the best of the best. Its combination of powerful suction, versatile attachments, and thoughtful features make it the ultimate choice for those seeking the very best in-home cleaning technology. Whether you're dealing with stubborn pet hair, diverse flooring types, or just want the peace of mind that comes with owning a top-of-the-line vacuum, the Miele Complete C3 Brilliant Powerline is sure to exceed your expectations.